Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to weebly.com and log into our account. Now, as we all know, some of the interfaces in Weebly is or has been updated. So it's kind of confusing if you're seeing it for the first time. So what we need to do here is we need to go to the edit side option at the top right of our website. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to access a specific section on our website. So in this case, since the navigation of our website is actually at our header, so let's just wait for it to load up. As you can see, this is our navigation. So in this case, we need to access our header in order for us to edit this one. So let's go ahead and go to header here. And what we need to do is we need to click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we need to edit our links. So by the way, there's two options for us. So we have drop down and mega menu. So mega menu is an upgraded version. So if you want to use mega menu, you need to upgrade your plan for you to use that. But for now, let's just use the drop down option. So for here, let's just click on edit links. And for here, what we need to do is we need to add a sub page or a sub link on that specific link. As you can see, when you actually add or just add a navigation link here via this button here, as you can see, we'll be able to add another page and it's going to look like something similar to this. But if you want to add a link under that specific link that you added, then you'll have to basically click or hover over the section that you want to add a link for, and just click on the plus button here that says add sub navigation link. And from here, you could go ahead and choose what page you want to link. Like for example, we have gallery here. Click on save, and once you've done that, you could go ahead and just delete all the other links that you recently added or previously added. So let's go ahead and click on this one and delete this one as well. And from here, let's go ahead and basically save our changes. Going back, hit undone. And when we hover our home section here, so let's just click on preview here. So when we hover over home, as you can see, those links or pages that we actually link as a sub menu is now added in a drop down. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.